Guys, I'm Holly with Borei Design, and today I'm going to do a quick little video to teach you how to do these little miniature Hearty clay roses. And they're so small, they're going to be hard to see on this video, but we're going to be using these for a project coming up. And I realized today that it would be much easier for me to just do a quick video and show you how to do these versus writing down a tutorial. So here we go. Now this clay, like I said, it's Hearty clay and it's super lightweight. It's a lot different from polymer in the fact that it's really, really soft. You don't have to knead it forever to soften it up. It's just super lightweight and it's like squeezing a cloud and holds its form very well, and it's just perfect for what we're going to use these for. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by getting about a pea-sized amount. I'm going to roll that in my hand. It's a little big. Let me break off a little bit more. Again, about the size of a pea. And just roll that in my hand. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just going to squash that flat. And you're left with this little oval, like. And just thin it out pretty well. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to roll this from one end to the other to make the center of my flower. And you're left with something that looks like this. Okay, and again, on my, because these are so small, they're not videoing very well, I will have pictures on my blog that you can see a lot better, hopefully. And then I am going to take, and you can see these that I've already made. I'm going to take another, a little bit smaller than a pea size, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to roll it in my hand. I'm going to smash it flat. Thin it out just a little. Keep this more of a round shape. And I'm going to start adding these as my petals. And what I'm going to do as I'm adding these petals, I'm going to take this excess clay and I'm going to start smushing it to the bottom. See if I just got a little bit better, if you could see a little bit better there. Okay. And just keep going, doing the same thing, adding as many petals as you'd like. And you can see how it's starting to form our flower. And you can bend those petals outward a little bit if you'd like. And then add a few more. Just smash it flat. Till I get a nice petal shape. See, that'll do. And you can see the rose starting to form. Let's add at least one more on the other side. Again, just roll it in my hand, smashing it flat to make my petals. And you can see I ended up with a nice little rosebud here. You can move the petals out some and adjust them as you like. See if we can zero in on that. There we go. And see it a little bit better. And see, nothing to it but to do it. Super easy. Now, as you added your petals, this started to get really long in the back, this excess clay. So what we're going to do, well, we were going to cut it off. Usually I would take a knife and just cut the end of that off, but I do not have my knife with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pinch it off, because again, this is really lightweight clay, really easy to do. And then I'm just going to be very carefully smash that a little bit so that it'll be flat on the bottom. And now we're done with the new petal. Let's see if we can zero in a little bit more. Get it a little closer there. And you're left with a little miniature clay rose. Forgive the tremor in my hand there. Got a little bit, had that for years, unfortunately. But stay tuned to see what I do with these next. See you soon.